Traveling with a baby can be daunting, but having the right gear can significantly alleviate the challenges. Essential gear such as a lightweight stroller, versatile diaper bag, and travel-friendly toys play a vital role in ensuring a smooth journey for both parents and the baby. These items not only provide convenience but also contribute to keeping the baby content and engaged throughout the travel. By prioritizing the selection of appropriate gear, parents can create a comfortable and enjoyable experience for their little one, making traveling with a baby an enriching adventure. When choosing a stroller for traveling, opt for a lightweight and compact design that can be easily folded and navigated through crowded spaces, ensuring convenience and ease of use. Additionally, prioritize a car seat that is FAA-approved for air travel and equipped with essential safety features to protect your baby during the journey. These measures guarantee that both the stroller and car seat are tailored to meet the specific demands of travel, providing peace of mind and ensuring the safety and comfort of your little one. Efficient packing is essential when traveling with a baby. A well-prepared diaper bag stocked with necessities such as diapers, wipes, a changing pad, and spare clothes ensures that you are equipped for any situation during the journey. Additionally, considering a portable crib or travel bassinet provides a comfortable and familiar sleeping environment for your baby at the destination, promoting better rest and peace of mind for parents. These thoughtful preparations contribute to a seamless travel experience, addressing the practical needs and comfort of the baby while on the go. The use of a baby carrier offers convenience by allowing parents to keep their hands free while securely holding their baby, making it easier to navigate through various travel situations. Furthermore, packing an assortment of travel-friendly toys ensures that the baby remains entertained and engaged throughout the journey, minimizing fussiness and promoting a pleasant travel experience for both the baby and parents. These thoughtful provisions not only simplify travel logistics but also create an environment where the baby feels secure and content, enhancing the overall travel experience. Selecting the right gear for traveling with a baby significantly transforms the journey for both parents and the baby, making it more manageable and enjoyable. The investment in essential gear is a pivotal factor in ensuring stress-free travel experiences, as these purpose-designed items cater to the specific needs of traveling with a baby. By prioritizing the use of essential gear, parents can create a conducive environment that promotes comfort, safety, and entertainment for their baby, ultimately leading to a more relaxed and enjoyable travel experience for the entire family.